Hey guys, this is Scarlett Rumor. I would like to invite everyone to my Beauty and Fitness Mixer April 10th from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. at a private location with a conference room, bar lounge, and outdoor pool area. This promo clip will give you an idea of the location and what to expect while I give you some info. This is a high-profile event supported, sponsored, and hosted by celebrities, including VH1's Real and Chance. So if you're a business owner, if you have a service to offer, if you have a product to sell, this is the ideal event for you. You'll receive tons of exposure, but you'll also be part of a great cause, breast cancer awareness. This is also an ideal event for models and photographers. We have a few private rooms, an outdoor area including the pool will be available for fun and creative photo shoots. Some of our registered vendors and guests include estheticians, makeup artists, salon and barbershop owners, personal trainers, nutritionists, designers, wedding planners, boutique owners, pleasure party hosts, web developers, models, dancers, and photographers. Tickets must be bought online, and vendors must also register online at getproductions.info/April 10th. Tickets will not be sold at the door, so I recommend you purchase your ticket or reserve your vendor spot soon. Tickets are very limited, this event will sell out, and tickets will go up as the event gets closer. Oh, and we're also offering major exposure to sponsors, so please visit getproductions.info/April 10th or call 323-500-9445.